Introducing
Octave, a next-generation text-to-speech system.
by Hume.ai.
Like we don't have enough of them text-to-speech models already in it.
But Cap'n, this one be different. It's built on a great and mighty language model.
That's wild.
That means it knows what words mean proper, in their right place. It can suss out feelings, pace, and where to put a bit of
Wait, hold up!
Get
What's
that
that?
thing
Oh,
away from me
that's
right now.
nasty, man!
I can't even look at it without gagging.
You can give Octave acting instructions to control emotion, style, and a lot more.
Angry as hell!
Anxious about the state of the world. Or amazed at how fast AI is improving.
And the best part? You can create any voice you can imagine with a prompt. Because, you know, it's an LLM, and that's kind of what they do.
By the beard of Neptune, are you telling me we be naught but whispers in some cursed illusion?
Hold up, you say I ain't real?
What about the kids then?
The first LLM for voice generation is available now for the price of a cup of coffee.
Blimey, Hob. Did you catch that? You can use this wizardry for your rambling tales, and then books what folk can't be bothered to read.
She's saying it's perfect for podcasts, voiceovers, and audiobooks.
Blimey.
See for yourself at hume.ai.